Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, you already know what to do. So this is getting crazier, guys. Every time we have a little momentum, a little spike that's incoming, even though I knew it wasn't be able going to sustain itself, we could possibly be running back up and about to, go into a bullish market. But I know it's going to take a few times. It's going to take a few spikes to the upside and bringing us back down just to play a few mind games before we actually take off and don't really come back down to, it's going to always be choppy, but I mean, take off, go into a bullish market, but continue to make lower highs as we continue to be bullish overall. That's going to take a while. It's going to take a few fake outs, a few spikes up just to bring us right back down. But we know I did expect for this spike, the turnaround of the market to last a little longer than what we experienced now that we're going already back down already. But it's something to come into play that put its dictation on the market whenever things like this happen. So we know whenever big dogs, take a crazy dive, especially we talking 20-30% in one day, what that's going to do to the rest of the stocks in the overall market, in the Dow and the S&P. It's going to bring it down. So that's exactly what we're experiencing. But throughout all this madness, what's going on? You got Amazon down 8%, Walmart down 8%, Target down over 25-26%. You got all these big dogs down almost 10% or better. Guess what, though? You got AMC steady holding up. We in the red, but we holding up. With the market having this reversal like this, we should have easily went and broke down under that 1250, putting us back in the bearish sentiment. But we is holding up at that 1270 very, very strongly, guys. And we hit a low of 1250 on today. I ain't saying that we can't, go back down, but just showing the strength that we are seeing and experiencing right now is a great, great sign, guys. And hopefully a lot of other eyeballs and millionaires and billionaires is looking at the same thing that I'm looking at, how AMC is able to sustain itself throughout all this madness, guys, because Target is bringing some of these stocks down, guys. So Target shares tumbled more than 26% Wednesday after the retailer reported first quarter earnings that were much lower than Wall Street estimated. Because of higher costs for fuel and compensation, the retailer also saw lower than expected sales for merchandises like TVs. So, guys, we also got Walmart, the largest U.S. retailer, on Tuesday reported weaker than expected quarterly earnings and slashed its profit outlook for the year, citing higher wages, fuel, and food costs. Shares of both companies sank, dragging peers including Costco, Dollar General, lower in sympathy. So if you guys don't know exactly what a sympathy play is, we talk about it all the time. Usually when one thing happened to one stock in particular in a certain area or area, if that falls drastically and hard and it's a big dog, it can most definitely have the little guys behind it come falling as well, guys. If they go up, it can also make the little guys go up as well, guys. It's go hand to hand. So anyways, we see exactly what's going on, guys. It ain't our fault. It's the market's fault. It's Target's fault. Walmart's fault. We already know, but we'll get through it. We always do. Like I told you guys, I, got out of my upstart position. If you've been watching the video, paying attention to details, I told you guys I was going to sell upstart in the 50s. We sold for a 230% gain, guys, in less than 24 hours. $1,100, made like $2,500. You also made $1,500 on upstart on Friday. And I told you guys once I sold in the 50s, I was going to wait for the dip, wait for the pullback, and I was going to rinse and repeat, get right back in it. And I did so. I got right back in, guys. As you can see, guys, we got right here a $45 call, 5 contracts. We up 33%, $815, guys. Again, we just got in this play after we sold our other play for upstart for $2,500. We got in this play because we told you guys we was going to buy once it dipped, get right back in it, to rinse and repeat it, because I don't believe it's done running up just yet, guys. Also, something, that caught my attention is the fact that upstart, everything else in my portfolio is bleeding. A lot of other stuff in the market is bleeding. But upstart is holding itself. It's sustaining and still is up for the day. Not saying that it can't reverse and go back down due to the overall market bleeding so hard and causing these other plays and sympathy to bleed as well, which could then translate and try and bring this down as well. So you already know, guys, but hopefully it stays up. Hopefully it do what it's intended to do. which is run up another $10, $15 on the share price. So you already know, guys, be smart. Always have an entry and exit plan whenever you decide to get an investment or a trade. So you already know. That's all your boy got for this video, guys. Just want to give you guys a quick update on AMC, the markets, let you guys know what's going on because it's getting wild. And the Dow Jones, we know it fell 1,000 points as poor earnings results from retailers like Target stoke inflation fears. So you already know, guys, I love you. Add me over there on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. We out, and God bless you. We go.